welcome to our seated warm-up. So, sitting up in your chair, sitting nice and tall, shoulders down, tummies in tight, and we're just starting from the head and working our way down. Okie doke. Right, so looking from left to right, just rotating your head from side to side. Nice and slowly. Not feeling any pain. Might hear a little bit of cracking noises, perfectly normal. But if you feel any pain, please stop. Just a few more of these. Side to side. 2 more. 1 more. Come back to center and hold it there. Lovely, well done. Next one we're going to do just a chin to chest. So lowering your chin down, coming down to the top of your chest and coming back up to straight. Do not tip your head back, bringing your chin down to your chest, stretching out the back of your neck. And again, not feeling any pain. And again, not lifting the shoulders up. Well done. 2 more of these. And 1 more. Hold it straight. Lovely. Well done. Next one we're going to do, just rolling the head around. So circling the head. And again, at the back of the move, do not tip your head back too far. If you feel any pain, stop. Good. 2 more of these. 1 more. And hold it at center. Lovely. Go nice and slowly so you don't feel dizzy. And now we're going to go the other way. So whichever way you went the first time, go the other way. So just circling the head around, nice and slowly. Keeping your shoulders down, keeping your tummy pulled in tight. Well done. Just 2 more of these. Lovely. And 1 more. Well done. Good. Next one we're going to do, just lifting up the shoulder frame, bringing your shoulders up towards your ears and then relaxing them down. Lovely. So similar to shrugging your shoulders and then relaxing them down. Good. Well done. Nice. Bringing the shoulders right up towards your ears and then lowering them down. 4 more. Well done. Sit up nice and tall. Keep those tummies in tight to support your back. And just 2 more. Well done. And then 1 more. And lowering the shoulders down. Lovely. This time we're going to lift the elbows up and we're just going to circle them around. So nice big circles with the elbows. Lovely. Try to keep your shoulders down away from your ears. This is focusing on rotating through that shoulder girdle. Lovely. Well done. 2 more. Good. And then 1 more. Lovely. And again, similar to the head rotations, we're now going to go the other way. If you feel any pain, stop. Good. Well done. 2 more of these. And then 1 more. Lovely. Good. Lowering the arms down. Just give a little stretch there. And now we're just going to do side stretches. This is a continual movement. So lifting up alternate arms, leaning over to one side, bringing the arm down, stretching out the obliques. Good. Lovely. Well done. 4 more. 3 more. Well done. 2 more. 1 more. Good. And come back to center and hold it there. We're just now going to twist from side to side. So a little twist from side to side. Just warming up our midsection. Good. Remember to keep sitting up tall. Keep those shoulders down away from your ears. So continual movement here again. Good. Well done. 4 more. 3 more. 2 more. And 1 more. Lovely. Now we're going to move our way down to our feet. So extend one leg and we're just going to rotate the foot around, circling the foot. So it's not a whole leg movement, you're just circling at the ankle, rotating that foot around. Lovely. Keeping the leg long, try not to bend at the knee, sit up tall, pull your tummies in tight, keep your shoulders down away from your ears. Keep smiling, nearly there. Well done. Last 4, 3, 2, 1, and guess what? 4, change legs, same on the other side. Rotating that foot around. Should feel a little bit more heat in the ankle area doing this. Should feel it warming up nicely. Good, lovely. Try and keep that leg nice and long. Try and sit up nice and tall. Keep your tummy tight. Shoulders down away from your ears. 2 more. 1 more. Lovely. Both feet down on the floor. With this one, wiggle yourself forward a little bit. And we're just going to lift up at the knees and then back down. So lift up, squeeze those calves, and then back down. Up, squeeze, and back down. Up, squeeze, and back down. Good. You should not feel any pain doing any of this warm-up. If you feel any pain, please stop. Good. Last 4. Last 3. Last 2. And 1 more. Well done. Good. So just to finish warming up those legs, we're just going to do a little bit of seated walking. So it's just walking in your chair. Feel free to bring in the arms if you want, so you're almost seated and you're marching. Good. And you should at this stage feel a little bit looser in yourself, a little bit warmed up, and then we will be moving on to do more exercises. Good. So keep that walking going for 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax your arms and your legs down. Sit up tall. Well done. Good.